To create a viral font change text animation in CapCut PC, start by dragging your video onto the timeline. Add a default text layer from the Text tab and adjust its duration to match your video. Type in the text you want to use. Scroll down to the shadow option. Choose a black shadow and set its opacity to 100% for full visibility. Then go to the Animation tab and click on the Loop category. Find and select the Font Change Animation effect. Set the animation duration to 1 second or any speed you prefer. Right-click the text layer and choose Create Compound Clip. Then go to the Video Basic settings. Scroll down to the Blend option and change the mode to Overlay.